Hola, hola caracolas! So we're going to do a bow and an arrow today. We're going to start with the bow, with the handle of the bow, and that needs a fuchsia in 260 balloon. We inflate, leaving like 3 fingers uninflated, and we just do like 12 fingers bubble, making a loop. And we make sure we lock the nozzle so it will not undo it. That's the way. We make another loop the same size, 12 fingers, and we make that loop, and we're going to leave this aside because we need to do another part of the bow. We use a purple one, a 260 balloon in purple color. We inflate it and we leave like 1 finger, just enough so we can tie that end later. That's the way. We're going to find the middle of that balloon. So find the central part of it and we twist. We make 2 big long bubbles. That's the way. Hold it tight so it doesn't undo, and we pass each side through each loop. As you can see, there's some space. That's why those loops were so big. So now that we have that, we need to find the ends and we tie them together. Starting to look like one, isn't it? Oh, I do love these colors. So once we have it tied, you can cut the ends, the rest of the balloons, if you want. But I will just wait a little bit longer. We make that bubble there at the same size, so we make sure the loops are a bit higher than the center of the purple bubbles. So it's better for children when they try to use the bow. We tie the ends, as you can see, so we lock every single part of that bow. If you don't want to cut them, I would suggest don't cut them, because it makes it easier for what we're going to do now, so we can tie that balloon. Now we choose another color. It's a 262, inflated fully, and we disinflate it as well. We don't need that to be inflated, but we need that to be a bit more flexible, more stretched really. And once we have that, we tie that at the top. That's the way. Oh, I do love this bow. So much fun, honestly. If you do this for children, they'll love it. Now we find like the perfect sort of art for this. So find something you think it looks like a bow, and we tie that there. So that's why I said before, if you don't tie that, if you don't cut the edges there, the nozzles, then you can use them to tie the green one. If not, just do it the way I did it and then cut the excess. So that's a very simple bow. You can make like pinch twist at the ends and just to hide the mechanics a bit more, but I just made it simple so we can start with something that everybody can do. And now we use this other one, any color that you want for the arrows, and we make sure that you just, I did there like about 4 palms or 2 double palms. We make 2 pinch twists. You can't really do 2 arrows from 1 to 60, but you cannot do the pinch twist on those ones because it would be too short. So we measure on this one with the pinch twist about 20 fingers, and then we tie them very, very tight at the end. And once the knot is really tight, then you can cut very close to it so it will not undo. So make sure it's very tight. As you can see, I'm pulling hard. And then once you have that, you have an arrow already. So you can do it just cutting 1 260 in 2 parts and just making a knot. So you have 2 arrows in each 260. But that's easy for children, so sometimes it's better with the pinch twist. And there you are, having some fun with it. You have fun too, okay? Enjoy, and let me know if you need any help about anything I'm doing here. Please subscribe, please share, please like my videos. See you soon.